What's up, Paradise Crew? My name's Griff.
And I'm Alyssa.
And today we're going to talk about what to do in port. Sometimes it can be overwhelming. There's a lot to choose from. Maybe you don't want to spend any money, or maybe you do. Here's some options that are just for you. I did not mean to make that rhyme, but it did.
We're not going anywhere. Maybe it's
Now, this may sound like an easy one. It's because it is an easy one, and that's hit up the local beaches. There's free beaches, there's public beaches, there's private beaches, there's beach clubs. Just do a little research on the front half, figure out which one you want, hop to it.
I just got one thing on my mind.
Another option is to listen to some live music. You can usually find some musicians as you're walking the streets or even at a local restaurant, but sometimes they have musicians right as you exit the ship. So get your boogie on.
Get your boogie on.
When everything feels like it.
Now, one of the best ways to see what the port has to offer is to book a local shore excursion. There's nothing more fun than just seeing the island through jet ski, through boat, catamaran, going on ATVs, SUVs, whatever you want to do. Look up a shore excursion, find something cool, snorkel the island, scuba. There's so many options.
Down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to.
Now, one of my favorite parts about visiting a new island is trying the local cuisine. So find a local restaurant and order something that you probably have never had before.
Yeah.
And I don't even care.
Now, if you don't want to wander off too far and you want to stay close to port or the terminal that you pulled up into, try some of the local stuff that's in that area. Sometimes there's vendors, little markets, little shops. They sell t-shirts, apparel. Some of the stuff are local and exclusive to the island, such as like handmade soaps, handmade jewelry. There's cool hats. You have all sorts of options. There's food. Sometimes there's local drinks that are mixed. Got a lot of opportunities here to kind of mix it up without wandering too far. So keep that in mind too. Continuing on with the themes of shops and markets, if you're really into it, you can also haggle or barter. Now, it depends at the port you're in, but sometimes going back and forth negotiating what you want could be good. But I wouldn't lowball anybody. Watch it.
And our last suggestion would be actually to stay on the ship. So if you just want an extra day to relax or explore the ship with less people, now is your time to do it. So almost everybody will be off the ship doing their own thing. You can have the pool to yourselves. You can go on the water slides without extra long lines. Also, the spa will have discounts on port days. So if you want to get a nice massage at a discounted price, do that on a port day.
Great suggestions. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, one, let us know what your suggestions are for people to do things in port. You never know who you might help. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.
Peace.